And this kind of flying is good for me too, Jack, because it gives me confidence, you know, going to airports I haven't been to or I've hardly ever flown into.
Right.
You know, flying for a really long time and just kind of stuff. So, I mean, it's awesome that you're able to come today. I mean, it's, we need to, 2021 needs to be a longer, larger adventure for us when it comes to flying. We need to go out and have some fun. All right, our last leg of the day.
Let's make it a good one.
And we're going to do it right downwind departure.
Full flaps.
Okay, again, just a quick run up with that magneto check, and we will be out of here.
Nutry traffic. Light Sport 2902 Delta Bravo is turning left base for runway 2 Nutry.
Okay, magneto's a check, vacuum is normal, amps are neutral, temperature's in the green, pressure's in the green. Yeah, I got no annunciators, the annunciator panel is checked. Nutry traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is holding short runway 2 for a left downwind departure, Nutry. All right, well, just in case I need them, okay? I mean, I'm pretty sure I remember them, but frequencies, 1247, I already got that in, 1247. 119.7 is my, but actually keep that there, 1266, that's going to be for Travis.
Gotcha.
Okay, that's a Technum, that's nice. Light Sport, is she remaining in the pattern? Nutry traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is lining up and holding runway 2 for traffic on the runway. Nutry.
Nutry traffic, Light Sport 2 Delta Bravo's on the upwind, runway 2.
I guess she is in the pattern.
Nutry traffic 916 Hotel.
Birds.
Getting ready to enter the left downwind, runway 2 Nutry.
Traffic in the pattern for the Nutry. There's a big flock of birds on the left downwind there. Keep an eye on them. Nutry traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is taking runway 2 for a left downwind departure. Nutry.
Waiting for the birds.
Yeah.
Nutry traffic, Light Sport 2 Delta Bravo is turning left crosswind. I have the downwind traffic in sight. Nutry.
All right, they're moving.
40, everything's in the green. 50. 60.
Nice one.
Nutry traffic, Light Sport 2 Delta Bravo is turning left downwind, runway 2 Nutry.
Nutry traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, turning left crosswind, runway 2 for a left downwind departure. Nutry.
Runway 7, Nutry traffic 916 Hotel, left base, runway 2 Nutry.
Nutry traffic, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is turning left downwind for a left downwind departure. Nutry. I got the traffic ahead of me on the downwind. She's actually kind of high. I'm going to continue climbing. Okay, there she goes. She's starting to come down. You see that? Nutry traffic, 9501 Whiskey is 1,200 climbing left downwind, runway 2, departure to Concord. Nutry.
Nutry traffic, Light Sport 2 Delta Bravo's turning left base for runway 2 Nutry.
I got traffic landing in sight, and the left base traffic, yeah, she's turning right in front of me 600 feet below. I've got her in sight. Once we're abeam, we're going to go straight for Concord. There we go.
Nutry traffic, Light Sport 2 Delta Bravo, turning final, runway 2, full stop, Nutry.
It's just beautiful up here, man. I love it. Well, let's say 2,000.
Mount Diablo looks pretty cool too.
Yeah. Travis approach, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey VFR request.
Aircraft calling Travis, checking your numbers.
We are a Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey.
November 9501 Whiskey, Travis, reports, go ahead.
9501 Whiskey, request flight following Concord, just off Nut Tree.
November 01 Whiskey, squawk 5221.
5221, 01 Whiskey. Yeah, we're entering their airspace. It's a good thing we're talking to them.
AGL. Use caution, multiple runway and taxiway hold position signs unlit and unusable. Hazardous weather information for California and coastal waters over flight surface station frequencies.
Contact Travis approach 119.9er.
Was that for 01 Whiskey? And that frequency change, was that for 01 Whiskey?
01 Whiskey, affirmative, 119.9er.
119.9, thank you, 01 Whiskey. Travis Skyhawk, 9501 Whiskey, 2100.
November 9501 Whiskey, Travis approach, you light and clear.
Frequencies. Caution for birds in the vicinity of the airport. Advise not to contact. Give information Delta.
Delta.
Concord Tower information Delta 2350 Zulu observation. Wind variable at 5. Visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature 24. Dew point 6. Altimeter 3002. Visual approach in use. Landing and departing runway 1 right and runway 1 left. Notice here.
They're still on ones, okay. And we have Delta.
Oh, well, we're almost on final for 19er, right?
But they're landing on ones, so it'll probably be a right downwind, right downwind for 1 right. Or left downwind for 1 left, either way. I'm going to do an intro right now, okay?
Okay.
Just for the hell of it, you know? We're here. Okay, so my first intro in flight, flying with DAC here. And
650 Mike Charlie, Travis approach, are you on this frequency?
we decided to go wild today and land and take off from 7 or 8 or 13 different airports. I'm pretty sure it's 8. Right now, we're approaching Concord, about 11 nautical miles out. We picked up the weather, and the whole idea behind this was I work in San Francisco, which means that I cannot leave certain Bay Area counties because then I will have to isolate at home for 10 days or 14 days or, again, 63 days. I'm not sure what it is. So the idea today was just to go wild and have a whole bunch of 20, 30, and 40 nautical mile legs to 8 airports or 7 airports in the 7 Bay Area counties where we can actually go to and get out of the plane and have a good old time. And that's exactly what we did. We landed in Livermore, from Concord to Livermore. Then we hauled ass over to Reef Hillview. Then we hauled ass over to San Carlos, Half Moon Bay, Nos, Napa, Nut Tree, and we're 9.4 nautical miles away from Concord. So here we go. Last landing of the day, and go home and take a nap. Hope you enjoyed the video. That was good. And Travis, we've got the weather in Concord, 9501 Whiskey.
November 01 Whiskey, radar services terminated, squawk VFR, contact Concord Tower.
Over to Tower VFR, 9501 Whiskey, thank you. Concord Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is with Delta 8 to the north of the field, full stop.
Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, Concord Tower, make left traffic, runway 1 left, report 1 mile on the 45.
Left traffic 1 left, we'll report 1 mile on the 45, 01 Whiskey. There's my 800 feet. Got the runway.
Terminal 21 Tango, runway 1 right, clear for the option.
Flaps 20.
Right, 6921 Tango.
Cessna 8 Mike Echo, you number 2 to follow. Cessna on a mile and a half, final runway 1 left, clear for the option.
1 left, clear for the option, number 2, 138 Mike Echo.
Yep.
A little fast, let's slow down. Okay, we're power idle. Wind slight from the left. She wants to fly. She's like, no, 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 let's fly, let's keep going. All right, we can get off on Charlie here.
This is 01 Whiskey, turn right, taxiway Charlie, hold short, runway 1 right, remain this frequency.
Radar Charlie, short, 1 right, and stay with you, 950 Whiskey.